Personally, this color is definitely so fall-like. I think this is gonna be the new It Girl bag. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Angelica. So today we have another really cute unboxing this time. I got the goods and this is my first ever handbag from POLÈNE. I'm gonna give you guys the whole honest breakdown as to my first impressions, where I got it, the prices currently right now, as well as, you know, is it worth it or not? I'm gonna show you guys what it's gonna look like with my outfit while I unbox this. Let's just get straight into it because why not? I honestly should have got a POLÈNE bag like sooner. I ended up getting the color in monochrome cognac, the NUMÉRO DIX style. I guess they title it based off of like numbers and stuff like that, and then now I don't know what else they name it afterwards now that they hit past like 10. I just remember getting this in New York City down where Soho was. I'm telling you this right now, the fabric, the quality, I am just obsessed with this. There's no secret hacks to anything like this. Basically, I was wanting to get this one or the one that looks kind of like a little big dumpling. Forgot the name to it. I'm gonna literally have a picture here in reference, but I wanted this color and I literally asked my Instagram followers like, what color should I get? Should I get this one or this one? And I remember this one is the smooth Italian leather one. So I know there's like a textured one in this color, but I don't know why. I just really liked how like the soft finish was. It's very sturdy, very hard. So as I take out what's in my bag, I do have my Canon G7X camera because sometimes I'm always on the go. I like to vlog, and as well as my Dior wallet, which is very funny because two different designers. That's just something else, to be honest with you. My car keys as well. Chopstick. Okay, that's literally all I fit in here. I did make a mistake today since I wore it the first time. Oh my gosh, I'm literally gonna scream. I ended up having a little tiny like stain a little bit from my lip like plumper, the Dr. Gross one, because I didn't have a cap, and it literally like kind of stained it a little bit. It looks like oil stains, which I'm so sad about. My first luck. Okay, staining it inside. What? They do have a tiny little like slit here that you can put like your money or like your card holder and whatnot, but other than that, it's just pretty straightforward to me. I mean, there's nothing else to it. No secret hack, guys. There's no pocket even on the outside of this, surprisingly. Do want to get straight into the straps part because I remember when I first got it, I was so confused as to like how to take it on and off. Luckily, they give you two different straps. So this was the strap that I actually ended up putting on manually myself, but before they gave me like a super long strap, and this one was on previously and it was just super long. Like, look at how long this is. This is what you... I almost whipped myself. Like, that was just not it. Anyways, this is super long, right? People like to use this as a crossbody look. I personally don't really care too much about the crossbody look unless it's like my Dior saddlebag with the thick strap, you know, that I manually like separately bought. But other than that, I don't know. I kind of am living for the shoulder look. I do like the short length to this. It's nice because you can just easily take this on and off. Let me just give you an example. Gosh, I don't want to like literally rip my leather. So you can just like kind of just wedge it in the hole, right? And then once you choose where you want to place it, it's really easy. There's this little tiny leather pocket here that you kind of put the strap straight through. And then it's nice because look at this. This is what I find to be unique. And I personally love this so much, but people like to put the strap like this, and that's kind of like the style where it dangles like that. Do you see a lot of bags that do that? Not really. Like, in my personal opinion, none of my bags I have, you know, they don't have a style like that. The website literally says do not use in like harsh direct light, really hot heat, as well as the rain. But then it's weird because I've seen like other people, they do reviews on this. They're like, yeah, I like wore it in the rain, like it was fine. Just maybe don't put yourself through that if you like, you know, like if it's raining, don't like voluntarily be like, I'm gonna wear this out today on top of my trench coat. Like, that is literally the worst idea ever. Don't do that. Don't ever put yourself and your bag through something so horrendous like that, okay? Even though it's gonna like probably roll off a little bit, like this is not meant to soak, okay? And you don't want the sunlight to harshly burn the outside of the bag, make spots, you know, and then like make this all shrinky looking. I don't know. Apparently though, if you do get it soaking wet, let's say, you know, it just wasn't your fault, like it wasn't your day to day, you know, just like apparently a storm just like crashed. Well, apparently the website says that try to dry it with a soft cloth, store it in a dry place that's like away, and dry it in room temperature. This is my favorite way to wear it. okay? Love this sleek look. It's kind of like a mixture of like a half crescent, but like kind of like a saddle bag in a way, but it's like not exactly, you know? Personally, this color is definitely so fall-like. Like it's like the perfect dark color where it's not too dark, not too light. And do you see the different shades of like brown, beige, or whatever that I'm wearing? Perfect. Obviously, don't overfill your bag. You don't want to stretch the material, and it just looks really bad, okay? When things are poking out, take care of your bag, guys. Oversized sweater, quarter zip, okay? We got Zara, that's flared. Platform Uggs, of course, and just this monochrome cognac bag. I'm living for this. Church outfit, I guess. I would definitely wear something like this to like a brunch, like a lunch, you know what I mean? Going to the mall casually. Yay or nay? Personally, I'm gonna give this bag a 9 out of 10 just because I haven't used it for such a long time yet to kind of review. But I did get this bag for about $500 after tax. I got lucky because there was like half the store that's like online that was sold out, but in Soho, they had everything in stock. And I was like, OMG, like that is like, I gotta cop now, you know what I mean? Honestly, love it. It's very like formal looking. I wanted a bag for a different occasion, different color, because I don't have any shade like this. If y'all are literally wanting this bag, you need to buy it now or else the luxury prices will increase as the time goes on. 8 months ago, someone said it used to be $350. I don't know what happened. It's $460 and then I paid, you know, $500 after tax and stuff, so. Is it worth it? I'd say yes, because for the price that you're paying, I'd say jump on it now. That way you won't gotta pay like $1,000 like later down the road. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way, you know, I'm always posting throughout the entire week, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye!